50-word story, normal speed. If I go in, will he know? Will he see me? And will he get me? If I go in one time, he will not know. I have to go in. I have to get this and that. And I can go in, so I go in. Who will know? For he will not see me. But he sees me, and he says, "Go." And I say, "I will not. I would like to get more of this and that." "Who do you think you are?" he says. "I am the one who will get them," I say. "You will not have them," he says. I have to make him see. I have to make him think. But he says, "I do not like that. I think I do not like you." I would like to go by him, and so I think I will. But I do not do it. I cannot make it. I cannot go by him. That I do not like. One more time I would like to go by him, for I have to, and I do. I see that which is there, but I do not like it. There is not this, and there is not that. There are no more of them. What I would like to have is not there. "I do not like this," I say. "I do not like it at all." "We do not have them," he says. "I think you can see that. So go." I say it one more time. Go. I go, for he does not have them. I like this and that, but I cannot have them, for they are not there. As I go, I think about them. For I wish to have them. I will have them, but when?